Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to make a brain code animation. You can see this preview. So for that, we are using type.js, type.js for a typing animation, and this Robotomono font. So copy font and paste here, and let's start coding. So first, we have a main class. In main class, we have a h1 for our brain code text, and we have a span tag. In this tag, we use type.js library. So make a class as a type. Okay, and let's add the css. First, we have a body. Body has a background black, so add background color white, and added a font family. Let's copy from here. Added a font family, and then set a font size 24 pixel. Let's edit our main class. So main class, we have a center text, so we added a margin top 250 pixel. Let's style h1. H1 should be in a center, so text align center. And yes, I think this CSS is good. Let's add our library in JavaScript. So first we need a jQuery. So first added jQuery. Now added a type.js. So go to this type.js. CDN, go to CDN.js and type here type.js. Now here, let's copy type min.js and paste it here. Now it's okay. Now close this and let's write our JavaScript. So first we need initialize our type.js. So go to the type.js website and copy this syntax. Now added this syntax here. Here we specify our element. Our element was typed, so change it. And our string is brain code. So remove this and type brain. And we have a code and we need brain code, and this code part should be white. So here we again added our span tag. So span tag. And type code. So take a look our code. This brain code added, and now we apply this code to the background white. So we added here class code and added css to that class. So dot code and padding, added padding to 3 pixel. Okay, for now let's remove this margin, so we look now added here a start delay. So after 2 seconds it start. We use single quotes instead of double quotes. Now take a look. Now our animation work. So on complete this animation, we should change the background of this code block. So go to the type.js GitHub page and find incomplete. So here is a incomplete. So after completing this animation, that code should be run. That code run. Now change. Now we have added a jQuery. So use this jQuery and select our code part and added css to that part. So added color to black, background color to white, and we added a transition, so it animated. Now take a look that part here. Now look that only. So here we miss our hash. Here it's instantly change background color, so we added transition, so it smoothly changed the background color. So added a transition property to here, transition in a background color. So first do background color, and second one is how many second. So 4 seconds. So it take a 4 seconds to change the color. Now take a look. Now it's smooth. Now here its cursor should be inside this white box. So in this code we added margin right to minus 14 pixel. No, 16 pixel. Oh, here. Okay. 17 pixel. Okay. 18. Now cursor hide.